Hello everyone, welcome to VTech2. In this video, we're going to see about will YouTube monetize no face cam, no voiceover videos. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is Vinod and I make YouTube growth related videos. And my channel will be a good companion for your YouTube channel. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to all so that when I put new videos, you'll get notified. Let's get started. Let's make it simple and clear. Face and voice is required for the channels who are using others people content. If your content is original, neither face cam nor voice is required for monetization. Apparently, the content must be good and it must abide all the YouTube policies and also AdSense friendly. You may ask, what do you mean by original content? I'll show 5 different channels which doesn't use face cam or voice in their videos and they got monetized and they have millions of subscribers. Before checking out their 5 channel, let's check out what YouTube monetization policy says and what YouTube will check when you send your channel for monetization. YouTube will check these 5 categories. They will check out the main theme of your channel, newest video, most watched video, and how you got the watch hours from. Video metadata, nothing but thumbnails, titles, and description. The above said information are from the official YouTube monetization page. I leave the link in the description below and you can check it out. As far I know, YouTube doesn't mention explicitly anywhere that they need face cam or voiceover for monetization. Let's get into the PC and check out the 5 channels one by one.
The first channel in the category is Relaxing End. Don't get confused by the channel name. The channel features unboxing videos. I'm really amazed by the work and its out of box thinking. The channel has 6.68 million subscribers. This shows the quality of the channel. The best part is the channel doesn't even have background music. All sounds are captured while they unbox the packages and it's so relaxing. When you visit the channel, you experience the tech with a relaxation. Another channel in this category is D or Dbox or Dr. Dbox. This also follows the same pattern. If you are in this track, you can try any one of this. The next is Tasty category. Yes, it's a cooking category. This is one of the best channel I saw in recent days. The channel name is Mini Food Key. They have 1.8 million subscribers. They don't feature as a normal cooking channel. They do miniature works. So this makes stand out of the crowd even they don't have face cam or voiceover videos. Their background ambience elevate the quality of the video, thus gives a complete new experience for the audience. If you're in the cooking niche, you can try this method. The next is Da Vinci category. You are genius. You guessed it right. Yes, it is drawing category. This channel name is Farjana Drawing Academy. They have 5.6 million subscribers and it's massive. If you are master in drawing and planning to start a YouTube channel without face and voice, this channel will be a best guide and it will motivate you and inspire you to. All of the sketches are top notch and they use minimalistic tools to do the drawings. Next is DIY category. If you have a special talent turning waste products into useful products, then you can earn money easily. This channel SR Hacks turning waste products into useful DIY materials. They have 1.43 million subscribers. Do you have any special talents like this? Let me know in the comments below. In most DIY channels, viewers expecting how to do items on their own without spending much amount or even with easily available household items. If you have a great creativity and you can turn your creativity into money by using this niche, even without showing your face or giving voiceover to these videos. The last one is tutorial channel. If you know how to edit videos or photos, you can record the editing techniques without face or giving voiceovers. These are the few categories I shown you can monetize without face and voice. There are a lot more categories out there. If you have determination and patience, you can do it.
If you're planning to start a YouTube channel without voice, without face cam, and you can check out these channels. If your niche matches to any one of these channels, you can try this out or you can try to make your original content. There are other ways to make no face cam, no voice videos like compilation videos, relaxation music videos, meditation videos, or having a still image with background music, quotes rolling here and there with the background music. These are also categorized in no face cam or no voice videos. These type of channels are very hard to monetize because these are considered as reused content. Yes, there are some channels which monetized earlier, and nowadays YouTube is not monetizing any of these channels. So I don't recommend to do this type of work. One day or the other, YouTube will demonetize your channel, and your total time and energy will go in vain. Hope this video helps you to understand how you can monetize no face cam, no voiceover videos. If you like this content, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And there are more monetization related videos in this channel. Go and check it out, and you will get a better understanding how you can, and what are the content you can monetize and what are the content you can't monetize. Also leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and also let me know if you need any type of in the monetization area. I'll try to make it out. We'll see in another informative video. Until then, stay safe.